All right, folks, what we got here is a 2015 Challenger. We're going to reset the oil life light. I think it's good up to 2021, as far as I know. All right, it might go other models too. All right, just have your key fob ready. We're going to put this in the run position. All right, that says accessory, that says run. Okay, we're going to be using these controls right here on this side. Okay, up, down, left, right, and then OK. Keep an eye on the dash. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to go up. If you're on the top, you see where it says audio? Okay, watch. It's going to come up. When I go up, see it's at number 6 for audio. You can use up or down. I'm going to continue to use up to go all the way around, okay? 5 is trip information, fuel economy, performance, vehicle information. That's where you want to go. But let's just continue a little bit more. Speedometer is 1. All right, screen setup is 8. Messages is 7. 6 is audio, where we originally started, all right? So we're going to go to 2 now. Just keep hitting it, the button, till I get to number 2. Once I get to number 2 now, what we're going to do is we're going to use the left or the right button to scroll left and right. So we're just going to use the left, okay? So right now it's at oil temperature on the bottom. See it? So I'm going to go left by touching this button. Transmission temperature, coolant temperature, tire pressure, okay, still using the left button, battery voltage, oil life, okay. Once you get the oil life, it says to hold OK to reset. So we're going to hold OK to reset. That's what it says. And it's still holding. Hello, I'm holding to reset. I'm going to let go of the button. Do it again. Hold to reset. There you go. 100%. I don't know. I let go of it and put it back in there. All right. That's it. 100%. Oil life is set. And we're good to go. So this is a 2015 with 23,000 miles. Still in great shape. All right. That's it. Over and out. Thanks for watching. Ciao.